So guys, this is your boy Josh now. Everyone say hi! 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 Idiots. Hi! Say hi. Hi.
Everybody.
Say hi.
Hey.
You're gay. Not rhyme though.
Fuck.
Fuckity fuck. My nan watches my videos. Yeah. Why are you going?
School car park.
What?
You're not allowed to see. I only live like my great nan. You pursue.
See how far you can kick it up the steps. Boys, challenge. See how far you can kick it up the steps. I know a cheat. Boys, see how far you can kick it all the way up the steps. If you can kick it all the way up the steps, I know a cheat. I do see.
On the light path.
Well, I got it up to the top. I got it up here. Oh! I got it up to you. Oh, could beat this. Jack's turn. No, off the floor, No, that's on the train track as well. Did I do it off the floor? I kicked up Morgan. So Jack's is up here. Mine's there. So Jack is only one step up mine. I'm going up there just in case he kicks over. No. Shit. I beat Lloyd.
I won. My turn.
No, it's Morgan.
It's me.
Lloyd, you got it up to the lowest yet? Lloyd, you got it up to the lowest somehow. Wait, Morgan, you didn't even get up to the third piles of steps. No, you didn't. Ready, guys? Ready? I hate this one. I hate this one, guys. Dal.
That was funny, isn't it?
So I got it in the second. I asked Jack who got it the first. Come on, Evan's turn. In a gay little window. Come on, Lloyd. Tell him to wise up. It's Evan's turn. Evan's turn. Up here's had a turn yet. Nope. So Ethan only got it up to me. Ethan got it up the second I asked. No, Pierce not his turn yet. Oh, yeah, it's my turn. Pierce. No, boys, Pierce is not playing. Look, you record a play now. Oh, I can't. I'm just stand at the top. Stand at the top so you can save it.
Can I retake it? No, just shit. Jack,
Skate me, see?
No.
No.
So you go up top so you can't go on the train track.
Oh.
Okay, I will. Nah. I'm going to
What are you doing?
Two of you. No, you stand at top as well. Right, you go that side, I'll go this side.
Okay.
Oh, that's a
Jack, you won't.
So, how much were you in it?
Yeah. Right. Last step. Gonna end it all back. I got to the highest so far. We need a block Lloyd to come over here. Wait, you got it lower than me. Jack, your turn.
Lloyd, you was on this step.
Morgan!
Lloyd, you're by here.
It's going. I got it up to you guys. Lloyd only got it up to down below.
Yeah.
But yeah, Lloyd is where he's standing now. Sit on your scores, everyone. No. Jack! No, Jack, I got it the same as me.
I got it at the top though. You're not before the top.
Yeah, you on the same one as me.
Yeah, but it didn't hit the step, so it bounced right down.
Don't matter. Jack is on the same one as me. What?
Is it my turn?
No, she fans. No.
My turn.
Ethan, I got it.
This step where I'm standing on now.
Give it to Morgan. in a gay little window. I'm sitting on my step, boys. I got me and Jack are drawing, and everything is gay.
You've done one step.
Come on!
Not this. Ooh.
Eve, go up your squares. Oh shit! That was gonna go on the train track. But take her, cause it didn't hit the step. No, don't kick it over there, but
I hit the step and then it went up there, so didn't I?
you are beer. Morgan, shit.
Oh,
Wah!
same step as me, Mom.
Me and Jack won that.
No, I had that. Yeah.
I'm going first.
I'm going
Like,
second.
record that a bit.
I know, I'm going second.
Yeah. Just go up here. Just go up here. Record
Me and Lloyd started up here.
Yeah, you record first because mine's second.
Yours is fourth for
Do I have to record on there?
No, I'm second.
No, I'm second.
Second. I said I'm second. So I was second.
No, I was always second.
No, you was up third. You was fourth. I was third. Oh, second. Which one was that one?
Beer. This one, beer. Beer. Give me a camera.
No,
Give me a hand. Give me. Lloyd.
There.
Give me a. Wait, Morgan, had it down here. Jack, film this one.
Little flame scissors. Stop that ball.
Here we are. Is it still on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did take a photo?
No.
You did. You pressed that.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
So I got it up to you.
Yeah.
Higher so far.
How are you so far? Hey, Jack.
Oh shit.
What happened to the... No, we have to use the blue one. It was Jack's.
Jack, your turn.
Well, it was Lloyd's. It was Lloyd's turn. Oh, yeah, it was my turn. I stopped good.
Oh, boys, I gotta win now.
Same step as yours.
Yeah, Lloyd, same as me. I was gonna go on the train track anyway. Guys, let me kick us down.
You wouldn't have Josh winning so far.
Lloyd, let me kick us down. Move.
Ready? I stop with you. Don't hit him. Eight.
Oh my God.
Just me.
Yes! In a gay little window.
We both got the same place.
I kick the wrong way. In a gay little window. Way! Oh, Morgan, wise up.
You missed the ball.
Oh, but I feel Jack is gonna go the highest now. Hold on, I need to stop to see. And I do.
No, I ain't got the ultimate power.
You go that side, I go this side.
I'm fourth. I'm third.
Jack! No, same! He was same! He was same! Same as us! That was the same. He was right there.
No, Mom,
It was right here with me and Joshua.
I tried to hit that.
No, you were same as us
No,
because
you're same as us.
that's why if I decided I should step.
Mom, don't kick it over here now. Jack, you're up here.
No, he doesn't come up here yet.
Ha!
Wow.
I'm first. Look, he's first.
No, Ethan hasn't turned. Ethan.
First.
No, it's Ethan. Ethan haven't had a shot.
Yeah?
He hasn't.
Yeah?
He hasn't.
He hit the Lloyd, didn't he?
No, I did it. No, because he did take it because he took mine.
No, he had it before mine. Yeah, because he had a shot.
Alright, Josh.
Get up there. Oh, get up there. Get up. I'm not seeing you.
No, Jack, I'm second.
Roxy's third. Oh, boys, let me take out again. No, that didn't count. Come on.
Josh, no, Josh, go on.
This person.
It's Josh, me, then Jack, because that's where the order was going in. I knew that landed. It landed here. He didn't. No, it bounced.
Exactly.
It's not allowed to bounce. Give it. I'm gonna kick it down.
Yeah, if Josh had landed on where you are.
Yeah. It's Jack's.
It's Jack.
None of them got that either. Oh, boys, I'm off up.
Can I jump at my turn? I'll wait for it. Go
Him. Oh, no, boys, I'm off up. I'm off up now. Jack, can I have my ball, please? Who says it then, Jack?
What? Someone.
The boy who lives up there. I know him.
Oh, no, you know, everyone's going.
Where's my bag? If go and get my bag, all right. Yes. Oh, Jack, yes. I know who it is. Trust me. No, you didn't. Okay, see you.